Last question, guys. I went a little quick on the other one because I was trying to squeeze them all into one video, but unfortunately I couldn't. So anyways, now we're going to simplify this last one. So what we're going to do is we're going to change this to a positive, and then each of these, all the signs are going to switch. Okay, so this one right here is going to stay the same. 5m cubed minus 3n squared plus 7. Now this negative is going to turn to a plus. And then this negative 2m squared is a positive 2m. Sorry, cubed I meant to say. Negative 5n squared is a positive 5n squared. Negative 12 is a positive 12. Okay, now we're just going to add these all up. So 5m cubes plus 2m cubes gives us 7m cubes. Negative 3n squareds plus 5n squareds. So 5 minus 3 gives us positive 2n squareds. And then 7 plus 12 gives us 19. So positive 19. And that is your final answer. So that's it for your lesson.